Oh, wow, it's happening. Welcome to the carnival. There's a reason that it's a carnival here in the Juice Guru kitchen. We're going to really get it going here. Welcome, welcome. It's that time of the year. It's the summertime and it's the carnival time. And it takes us back to those childhood memories. And today we're doing a cotton candy juice. Right, Julie Juice over there?
Yep, I can't wait to get with you guys too. This is a very exciting day. I really love this juice.
Anyway, thank you, Julie. I'm Steve Prussack, the Juice Guru, author and co-author of The Complete Idiot's Guide to Juice Fasting and our latest book, Juice Guru, Transform Your Life by Adding One Juice a Day. And I think what better way to do that than with a cotton candy juice. And we're going to talk about all the benefits of cotton candy juice. And I want to first of all start this by revealing to you the secret ingredient. Why does this taste like cotton candy, right?
Please tell us that.
All right, this is our secret ingredient right here. Have you guys seen this? You getting a good shot of that?
I know it says organic cotton candy, but they're grapes.
They're grapes. These are them right here. We got 2 packages of them right here. About 4 cups is going to go into your juice, and Julie will tell you more about that. But these are organic, non-GMO, and they taste like cotton candy. Awesome for snacking on around the house and a fantastic detoxifying cleansing juice. So we're going to get to that in a minute. Actually, Julie, should I have you introduce the ingredients and I'll come back on and juice in a bit?
Yeah, why don't we do that? Fantastic. Take a look at what we got in that juice.
Well, those are the ingredients, right?
That's right. Hey,
what do you say, lady?
I'm so excited to be with you guys today, and we are all about the cotton candy grapes in our house. It is summertime. They are out in the stores. You can't miss them. So today we're going to highlight that in our cotton candy juice, and we're going to be making our juice. Here's the ingredients, okay? Really easy to prep, really easy to juice, makes a lot of juice. We've got 4 plump, juicy red apples, okay? We've got to offset the flavor.
Well, those are Fuji, right?
These are Fuji. We love them in our juicing, but you can do any kind of red apple that you really like. They're nice and sweet. Of course, we've got the lemon. Okay, we're going to do about a half a lemon to a whole lemon, just depending upon your flavor preference. We've got about 4 cups of our cotton candy grapes. They really do have that cotton candy flavor. And then, of course, to round it out with a little bit of spice to make it really interesting, really delicious, we've got our ginger. You're going to do about a ½ inch of ginger. So let's get to it, okay? I'm going to start by prepping 2 of the items, and then it's so easy. You're going to see how easy it is. So I'm going to do the lemon and some of the ginger for Steve, and then Steve's going to step up, do the rest, and do all the juicing. So let's just talk about it really basically. First, I'm going to show you how we like to do the lemons. First of all, we like to take that outer rind off the lemon. Some people like to leave it in, but we like to leave the white inner pith on because there's tons of nutrients in that white inner pith, and so you're going to have lots of nutrients, lots of vitamin C from your lemon. Now, people might be afraid. We're certainly all about the green juices. So, you know, it's a fruit juice that we're making, but don't be afraid, okay? Steve's going to talk about the sugar in that fruit juice, but let's talk about why we love fruit juices. They are full of antioxidants. They are good for your skin. They're good for keeping young. I just turned 50 last week.
What?
That's right, and you know, Steve.
Happy birthday to Juicy Julie.
Thank you so much. And of course, Steve, you're 50, and we like to redefine 50, and part of that is the fruit. A part of that is the fruit juices. So don't be afraid of your fruits. Okay, and then we've got, of course, so we just did the lemon. Lemon is, we said, full of vitamin C. You're gonna get that, it's like an orange, okay?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna get that ginger in here, and of course we wet the ginger before, we soaked it a little bit. So this is just gonna come off real easy with just a spoon like that. Real easy to just peel that ginger. We're gonna do about half of a inch of that ginger, and ginger is one of the most anti-inflammatory ingredients you can have in your juices, right, Steve?
Exactly. You know, some people think it's good for nausea, but there's so many other benefits of the ginger, anti-inflammatory, and take a look there.
Yeah, look at
it. Also gives it a nice rounded spice, doesn't it? A nice flavor. Some people don't like ginger. Julie, you didn't always like ginger, right?
I actually don't love ginger, but I love it in my fruit juices.
You do?
Yeah, because it gives it like that little bit of a finish to that sweet flavor so that it's like a sucking candy. It's really really delicious. So that's all you need to do to prep your lemons and prep your ginger. And I'm going to turn it over to Steve, and Steve is going to whip up this cotton candy juice.
Cotton candy juice. We already gave away the key ingredients, though, right, Julie? As long as you've got that cotton candy grape, and I'm going to show you again from we got this at a big food market out here in California. You can get them at anywhere all over the country here in the United States. And again, they're organic cotton candy grapes. So Julie, you did a great job prepping, and I appreciate you.
And of course, you know, when you try this at home, you're gonna see it's not even just a name. It really does taste like cotton candy.
Now, we like to show you our quick and nifty, make it easy and painless juicing tips, right? That's kind of part of this, right? Mm-hmm. And this is one of them. I love this because it cores the apple super fast. Check this out. And I'm going to go down, and just like that, my apple's done and ready. You know, the sooner we do this, like you notice I'm going to juice now, it'll get, what's the word, oxidized.
That's right.
So it'll turn brown. You know what I mean by that? So the closer to your juicing time, the better. So I think it is. Is it juicing time?
It's juicing time.
All right, let me get that. Can I get that carnival music going, or is that going to be too distracting?
Maybe just put it on for a minute, and then...
Because it takes me back to the Jersey Shore. That's where Julie and I met. That's where we met. We were high school sweethearts. You know, 15-year-old Steve and 14-year-old Julie. And I want to talk a little about that, because there's a lot of comfort in... You know, when we think back to our childhood and some of the things we ate back then, and I'll tell you, along that Jersey Shore boardwalk, I don't know, Julie, we were eating all kinds of stuff like cotton candy and all that other stuff that wasn't the best for our body, not the best for the planet or the animals, but we were, we had no idea.
No, we really didn't.
So what I love about a juice like this, it gives us the flavor of that cotton candy, and it's healthy, it's detoxifying. Now these grapes, Julie talked about them before. Have a look. These are detoxifying. They're going to help cleanse your liver and kidneys. So I say yes to the grapes. Let's get some in there. There's a little bit of chlorophyll too.
When's the last time you had a treat like this that actually was good for your body? I mean, there's nothing like
Julie,
a juice.
I'm so excited about this juice because, you know, you remember what we ate growing up as kids. We were just junk food addicts pretty much, weren't we?
We really were. We ate anything and everything.
You name it. We ate it. And so when we can revisit childhood memories, and this is another one that you want to get your kids drinking, right? This is a great way. Julie's son, Eli, my stepson, loves these grapes. He loves this kind of juice, which we kind of experimented with. I just came up with a few days ago because I was like, Julie, why not a cotton candy juice? And what did you say?
I said, wow, because my son's Eli's been taking them to camp, right? He's been taking them to soccer camp and just popping them in his mouth. They're super hydrating and amazing.
His friends love it. They're like, what is this you're drinking, Eli? At first they're like, it doesn't look like, that other stuff to me. I won't mention any names in case we're sponsored by some of them. No, I know we're not. Jane Velez Mitchell, thank you again for having us on Lunch Break Live. Can I get a shout out to Jane Velez Mitchell from anyone right now?
We love Jane.
We do love Jane. And so I'm getting these grapes in there, these cotton candy grapes. We've got the lemon in there. I put about a half of a lemon. Like Julie said, you might want to put a full lemon. Depends how tangy you want it. I'm going to go sweet on this one. And so let me just go ahead.
So Steve, let me just ask you. So why, you were talking about all the food we ate on the Jersey Shore, but what happened to you when you got out of college because of that?
Well, I always tell that story, Julie. By the time I got out of college, I paid the price. I was overweight, out of shape. I had high blood pressure, high cholesterol, no energy. I couldn't even sit behind my office job. I couldn't even sit up at a desk. I just had no muscle. I had... I paid the price with the late night fast food and all that other garbage I was putting in my body. And juicing turned it all around for me, and that's why we are a Juice Crew. That's why I spread this message, because it transformed my life. It made me give up eating meat and dairy and all those other things that are bad for the animals and the planet and good for our body. And so that's the mission we're on right now, Julie. And I'm glad to have you on this journey, too, because what happened when you and I met up all those years later? I'll do a handoff with you, and I'm going to let you pour, and I want you to share. You want to go ahead and zoom in down there so we do the handoff,
sure,
slip handoff? Mm-hmm. But I wanted you to share what it was like when we reconnected after how many years?
Well, we were apart.
We were apart.
20 years.
Yeah.
20 years. And we found each other across the country because we grew up on the Jersey Shore, just like Steve was saying. Do you think I should?
I think it needs a little stirring.
Oh, just a little bit.
A little stirring.
Okay. Well, let me take.
So what Julie's going to do now is give it a nice stir to combine all those tasty ingredients. So you might want to do that too. Now, sometimes, Julie, we can strain the juice, and I know you were about to ask about that.
That's right. And sometimes we usually do that for green juices, things that have a lot of pulp in them, and some pieces get left over. But for this, we took out the wine glasses.
Oh, we're going fancy.
And I think it's really beautiful juice, and so I think we'll just pour that directly into our glasses. And yes, I was still carrying around a lot of extra weight when Steve and I got back together. I had constant reflux. I was taking medication for it, and it's really the juicing and of course my vegan diet which really changed that all around for me once I got with the juice guru. Look at me pouring this all over the place. This is one of my favorite juices. Of course, we love the green juice, but when we kind of sit back, I love the grape juices. I love them with the apple because, as you were saying, it really offsets with that sugar regulator, the sugar rush that you might get from a fruity juice. And I just really I don't love ginger, but I love it in my fruit juices. So this is a really rounded out, well-rounded, delicious juice. And I just want to remind everybody, not only really, I would tell everyone to get these, pop them in your mouth all summer long, make your juices, because they're not just organic, they're also non-GMO. So they have not been tampered with or altered to make that amazing cotton candy flavor. And look at the juice that they've made.
Look at that. Who's going to try some? It's a green cotton candy, isn't it?
Right? You want it to be pink, but they color with dyes. All sorts of cotton candy. You want to come around? We'll have a little sip.
Okay. We're going to try it for you guys, let you know what it tastes like. Because, that's the true test, isn't it?
You could do it with dyes, or you could do it with Mother Nature.
I want to get in on the...
Do you know where to do it? You want me to do it?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get it down. And I just wanted to get a view of that. Yeah, I'll give it to you, and then you can go ahead and do that, and I'll hold up the juices right here. And then she's going to come down.
Here we go.
And then there they are. And so,
a little too much.
Down.
There we go.
And so I'm going to give this to you, Julie, and I'm going to say... Happy 5th of July.
5th of July.
And this is the way to do it. Well, thank you for being part of the carnival. And while we take the sip, Julie, I want to put on that carnival music because, there's no better way to close out here.
There's nothing like a summer carnival.
Thank you for being part of the fun. And get yourself juicing. We're over at juicegurutribe.com on Facebook. That's our Facebook community for motivation, tips, and more so you can get the juice in you. Let's try it.
Oh my God.
So good.
Wow, Steve, you are the juice guru. Guys, gotta try it.
Anyone can be the juice guru. Just get that juicer out. Get it out of the cabinet. Get it going. Fire it up. A juice a day habit. That's what it's all about. Thank you for being here, and we'll see you next time, right, babe?
Yep. See you next time.
Thank you, guys.
Bye, guys.